Ever find yourself needing to calculate a vector product in GeoGebra?
Yeah, those three-dimensional vectors.
Well, today we're gonna take a deep dive
Yeah.
into how to do that.
Sounds good.
So what's the first thing that someone needs to know about calculating cross products of vectors?
Okay, well, the first thing you got to know is that you need two vectors in 3D space.
Right. Okay. So we've got those. What then?
You're going to use a command called cross
Oh,
in GeoGebra.
all right.
And so you'll type out cross, and then in parentheses, you'll put the two vectors.
Okay. So if we have two vectors, we can just call them u and v, right?
Exactly.
Now I'll type in cross, open parentheses, u comma v, close parenthesis.
Yes.
And what am I going to see? What's that going to give me?
It's going to give you a new vector that's perpendicular to both u and v.
Okay. So it's perpendicular to both of them.
It is.
That's wild.
It is cool. And it follows the right-hand rule. So if you put your fingers along U and then your middle finger along V, your thumb will point in the direction of the cross product.
Okay, I'm doing that now. That's awesome.
Yeah.
So it defines like a new dimension almost, or new direction.
It does.
So what happens if I flip U and V? Like instead of cross U, I type in cross VU.
It'll be the same vector, but in the opposite direction.
What?
So it'll have the same length, but it'll be pointing the other way.
So the order that I put those vectors in really does matter.
It really does.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Well, that was super easy.
That's how you do it.
Super straightforward, very quick, and hopefully that helps all of you out there calculate some cross products of vectors in GeoGebra.
Good luck.
Good luck indeed. We'll see you on the next deep dive.
See ya.